I was dreaming that I was floating on $1,000 bill.
Yes.
Big tune.
Are you ready? Toast.
Without money. No, I'm gonna further.
Bless, 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 bless.
I whip my hair back and forth.
That's what Sachoney. You know that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nats and I hope everyone is happy, healthy and doing okay. Alright, so you know what? You guys see guests. Yeah, we have some guests on NATZNIFICENT. Today I have yours truly, Adam Webb. This is my husband for those who are new here, and this is Sachoney, the one and only, one of our favorite Jamaican YouTubers here in Japan. Yes, girl. Sachoney's channel link will be down in the description box below. Please be sure that you head over there, subscribe to her channel and comment on one of her videos so that she knows that I sent you over there. So give her some love, show her some love, and of course follow her on Instagram. Her link will also be in the description box below. Without further ado, let us get into this video. And Sachoney is the moderator here, so she's telling us all about what's going to happen in this video because I have no idea what the song association game is. Okay, so there will be 2 rounds, right? Okay. So the first round, I'm going to give each of you one word and you have to sing a song with that word in it. So you'll have 5 seconds to think of a song and sing it. After the 5 seconds, if you can't think of a song, then it goes to the next person. Okay. Yes, and for the first round, the genre is Jamaican. So you can sing a reggae song or a dancehall song. So only Jamaican songs for the first round. Alright, so it's 1 word per person. Yes, so one word you have, when I say the word, you have 5 seconds. If you can't think of a song within 5 seconds, it goes to Adam. Alright. Okay, I'm pretty well Jamaicanized, so well, let's see, because if you're gonna think of any song.
Don't underestimate me.
Okay, so who wants to go first? Who wants to go
Ladies first.
Okay, alright.
That's fine.
Alright, so your word is, drum roll please, love. No one can love me like you do.
That's a Jamaican song?
No one can love me like you do. What song is that?
What song is that even? That is not even a song.
No,
that
girl.
We're making up entire songs on here? That's what we're doing? No.
What song is that?
That's just generic lines that could be a song.
Okay, so Adam, you have 5 seconds.
One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright.
Okay, so that goes to Adam. You know, I have a tendency
to cheat and lie and make things up.
Okay, alright, so now Adam's turn. Okay, so your word is money.
Without money. No, I'm gonna further.
Okay, yeah.
I'm not gonna further, man. I didn't even see what all of Vibes Cartel song on the channel. But that's it. Without money. If you know, you know. If you don't know, Google it. It's real.
Okay, alright.
Real.
We know it.
Okay.
Okay, alright, next.
We taking score?
Yes. Okay. Yes, girl. I'm the judge, you know. I'm organized.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright. Alright, so next, your word is God. God, are you alone? Go ahead. No, but I'm not God, a father. Wait, how is song go? No man, that song, that reggae song there.
What reggae song way?
God, are you alone? So me a go until you come home, yeah. Father, I think a father you alone. I don't know that. You don't know it? There is a song. I swear. But you say it's. But if you can find a song, that's fine. But I think a father you alone. So me a go and put the world until you come home, yeah. Yeah, that song there. Okay, so Adam.
Jamaican song.
But it can be gospel song too. Any Jamaican.
Jamaican artist, yeah.
Okay, so Adam, you missed your turn.
Yeah, can't think of a Jamaican gospel song with God. which is strange.
That's very strange. Alright, so next one goes to Adam. Okay, your word is bless. Bless, 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 bless.
My word.
Oh crap. Oops.
Coffee, blessing. Blessing.
Okay, yeah. The word is bless, not blessing. Yeah, it's blessed for real.
But, oh gosh, oh, no, team up team. Blessed is in that song for sure.
No. Blessing fall for my right hand, a blessing, not bless. Blessing, but you have the option of checking the lyrics if you wanna.
I can check?
Yes, you can check
1
the
second.
lyrics. You look like you lose, Ada.
No, you don't.
He lost, you guys. Like
Pure
there's no
blessings,
bless
man.
in that song. It's
What a
blessing.
strange song.
So the song got to me? Yes, it goes to you. Bless, 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 bless. Like I don't know the entire dancehall song, but it's a dancehall song. Sachoney, you know it, right? Trency song. Yes. Thank you very much.
I've never heard that song.
Alright, so now it's your word.
Okay.
Your word is dance. Time's up.
What? Like 5 seconds is too short.
Okay, Adam, you have 5 seconds. Dance.
Whoa.
Okay.
That's tough.
5 seconds, like 10 seconds?
No man, 5.
5 seconds, because if it's 10 then it's gonna be too easy.
Too
Get
much
longer.
time to think. Yeah.
So no one got that.
That's
okay,
tough.
next, Adam, your word. Baby.
Too easy. This is too easy. It's too easy. Oh. No.
That's your word. Baby.
Song.
Baby, be mine tonight.
No.
Everything be right
Oh
tonight.
no.
What word is that?
There's
What if
no
a word?
song.
What
There's
song?
no song like
So
that.
no one got that.
This is actually more difficult.
This is really
Exactly.
difficult,
I
you
told
guys.
you. Yes, because when you're under pressure, it's like, yeah.
I'm sure I know songs with baby in it from Jamaica.
That's the most common word in any song. Well, Jamaican songs might be a little bit tougher.
Already, your word is queen.
She's royal. Yeah.
That's it, man.
That
That's
song
it.
they have Queen in it for
That's
sure.
it, for sure.
Okay,
for sure.
alright, you got the point.
For
That
sure.
is like my first point since this whole game.
No, it's not.
second point.
Yeah, second point.
Yeah.
You know, you are my African queen.
Yeah.
That's the song that
yeah.
I had.
The girl of my dreams.
Okay.
Yes.
That's fine.
Alright, next.
That's a good word.
Okay, your word. Heart.
A 5 seconds? That cannot be 5 seconds. What?
I
Alright.
swear.
Okay, your word. Heart. Okay, you see?
That's a
5
fast
seconds.
5 seconds.
Man,
So
the
no-
phone that cheat is 5 seconds because me can't believe it's 5 seconds that long, that short.
You have to think really quickly.
This game is hard.
You know, the viewers might think it's easy because they're not in the hot seat.
Right.
They're not under pressure, but when the pressure hits,
Right.
knowledge dips.
Okay, alright. So let's see. Your word is honey.
Guys.
Your word is honey.
That's a tough word. That's a tough word. If we couldn't get baby, we not get honey.
Oh God.
No?
Any suggestions, Sachoney?
So a suggestion is Dennis Brown Milk and Honey song. I won't play it so that you guys get copyrighted, but yes, you guys can Google that.
Wow.
Milk and Honey.
Like you guys, like I thought I would like be ace in this game.
Nope. Alright, so your word is bills.
I was dreaming that I was floating on $1,000 bill.
Yes.
Big tune.
And if you touch
Big
my
tune.
paper.
Big,
See, like
big
me
song.
now, guys, I was born in the 21st century. I'm kidding, but you know, I don't know these songs.
You didn't know that song there?
No.
Mm.
No, I don't.
Okay, so after run 1, Adam is leading. So
Wow.
he's at 3 points and Natay is at 2 points.
Oh, Lord.
Yes.
So we're heading out to round 2 and we
Yes.
need like a bottle.
Yes, you're gonna need a bottle because for round 2 now, I'm going to be saying a word and then they have to grab the bottle. So whomever grabs the bottle, they have to sing a song immediately. If you hesitate, then you lose 1 point.
What?
Yes, we gotta make it exciting because I don't want you to grab the bottle. And, oh, this song.
I have like 2 points, you guys. 2.
Yes, if you don't want to go into negative, you better ensure that you can sing a song immediately. And the score, you get 2 points per correct answer.
Okay.
So for this round, it's 2 points.
And how many oh, immediately I said.
Yes, you have to sing immediately. Once you have the bottle in your hand, you have to sing immediately. Okay?
Alright. Alright guys, so while we get ready for round 2, please enjoy the NATZNIFICENT fam shout out coming up like right now.
Biggest congratulations to the NATZNIFICENT fam commenter of the week. As usual, thanks for watching and commenting. Now guys, if you're wondering just how you can get a shout out, all you have to do is watch and leave a comment on this week's video. Also, for extra entries, all you have to do is share a screenshot of this week's video to your IG stories. Remember to tag me, and that is it. Now guys, back to the video.
Welcome back. We are ready for round 2. You guys cannot see down here in the frame because of how my camera is set up, but we do have this water bottle here on a little table per Sachoney's rule, so we'll be grabbing and so on. So yeah, you can't see it, but it's there.
Okay, so are you guys ready?
Ready?
Ready.
Okay, so the first word is temptation. You hesitated.
Good.
1 point gone.
Think before you grab. That is the purpose
I'm
of that rule.
sorry. So let's see. I'm gonna do this now. -1 point. Okay. Oh, by the way, I didn't tell you guys, this round is international. So
Anything goes.
Jamaican,
Okay.
Trinidadian, American, any
Okay.
music, any genre is okay.
Good.
Alright, the next word is dangerous.
Cause you won't notice, but you noticing me.
Yeah,
We're across the
girl.
road, I can see it. I can't stop myself from looking. Noticing you, noticing
Dangerous,
me.
babe.
Watch out, I've
Dangerous.
seen that type before. That girl is so.
Dangerous.
That girl is so. That girl is a bad girl. Yeah.
Okay, alright, nice.
Ooh.
That's fine.
Alright, so next is hair.
As in this?
Yes, hair.
I whip my hair back and forth.
That's what
Sachoney, you're good.
I didn't even see
No,
the
but
hint
you
or
guys,
hear
I gave both of you the hint. So he gets the
You
point.
know, it's Sachoney and Adam's aside. It's alright.
You guys see, I gave the clue to both of
it.
them.
That's right.
There's also a song called I'm Not Your Hair by India Irie.
What?
Do you know that song?
No, I
No, I don't.
Alright, next. Dream.
In this California. Oh, King Bed. But I'm sure Dream is in that song.
What song?
We're 10,000
Miles apart.
I don't know if Dream is in that song.
Mm-mm.
We can Google it.
Oh,
Okay,
come on.
Google it.
That would be a luck-based thing, no. You don't know a dream in that song.
Because me only know California King Bed.
So why would you grab the bottle if you only know
It's so
California?
dreamy. It's so dreamy. Adam, shut up.
No one is dreaming
No
here.
dream.
Which song has Dream in it? All of these coming like it's a dream, yeah. Popcorn song.
Yes, true.
Yes.
You're right. We're so. Boy, I don't know.
Slow.
Yeah.
And send me the pillow that you dream on. Some old song.
Send me the pillow that you dream on.
Long time song.
Yeah. So
You see?
darling, I can dream on you.
Oh,
You see, guys, so we know songs, but the pressure.
Yes, to
Yeah.
think, to try and think faster than the other person.
Sign it
Yeah.
after the fact.
Okay, alright, next word. Black. Black.
Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Boom, boom.
That's
Yep.
a stupid song.
That's the song that I was thinking of.
Yeah.
An incredibly stupid song.
Okay, next. Angel.
Oh!
So in this case, you have to drink in, or jankin, or whatever they call it.
Alright. Rock, scissors, paper, 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Rock, scissors, paper, 1, 2, 3.
Send me an angel. Call me
Okay,
an
yes.
angel.
I was thinking, angel of mine. You know that song name?
Yeah.
Well,
Okay.
John Ken is on my side.
Okay, next song. Moonlight. Three, two, one. Nobody got the point. So Moonlight, Ariana Grande, she has a song called Moonlight.
And I probably know it, you know, but crap.
That one was difficult.
Yeah.
Okay, next one. Sleeping.
Oh gosh, no sleeping for me.
Yeah,
You guys,
sleeping difficult.
have you ever tried sleeping with a broken heart?
Yeah.
Sleeping in my bed.
Yeah.
Hold me, touch me. Nobody ever throw it down like you. Alright, I'm not a singer. Cut it.
Wow, that was tough.
Alright, two more
Okay.
words. Singing.
What kind of word am I Sachoney?
Actually, that word just came to mind.
Singing. I've got a message for you.
Yes.
3 little birds, they were singing that song in the song.
Okay. Alright,
Nobody
so.
come in handy all the time, you know.
My bad man.
Okay, so the last word is 4 points. Okay?
This is
4
tough.
points.
Even I get, guys, I'm not even getting excited because, like,
But this might tip the scales in your favor.
Yes, that's why I
Okay.
said 4 points.
So you have a
So you,
chance.
yeah. Alright, are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Alien.
thing is, guys, I'm going to lose points if I say something wrong.
4.
This is ridiculous.
3.
I hate this game.
Knee.
Itch.
Time's up. There's a song called Alien by Dennis Lloyd. Alright,
Almighty
so
God.
that's
One more?
One more. One more.
You really want to win?
Yes.
Alright,
I
one
mean-
more. Let's see. So actually, if it was 4 points, then you guys would be tied. So it has to be 5 points. So this one, okay.
Oh, wow.
So 5 points. Let's see. Can I find a song?
Or should we not?
Run it, man.
This is the hardest game ever, you guys. Like, I encourage you to play this game with your family. Like, this is a nice Sunday evening family game.
I want it to make it extra hard because it's 5 points.
Mm-hmm.
So
All of these words been hard.
okay. So you guys want an easy one?
I'm not sure if easy because then
Well, this one is very easy. Do you want it or not?
Give it here.
Okay. All right. It's gonna be very easy, you know. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Toast.
Darkness, no.
Okay, go ahead, sing.
Toast. It's the same blessings than the other.
Yeah,
Blessing
what?
song?
Coffee.
No, that's a different song.
But it go 1 minute. And the same song.
Oh yes,
Same
yes,
song, yeah.
okay,
Same song.
okay,
Yeah.
Yo.
Okay, all right. So, are you guys ready for the total?
No.
You're the one who said that we must give her a fighting
Yeah.
chance. You see?
Yeah.
All right. So the total is for Adam. He has 9 points, and for NATAY, she has 10 points. So winner.
I mean, I won, but I feel like so guilty, you guys, because
Oh my, good win.
you know,
You
Good win,
won
good
by
win.
chance.
I was the one who asked for another word after Adam won because I didn't want him to win.
Well, you grabbed fast.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
No, like honestly, like I feel bad.
No. Good win, man. If me didn't
I
get
feel
that,
like I
would have
cheated you.
decimated the points. So
I feel like I cheated.
no.
Team.
It was close.
It's
I
all
agreed for
very
the extra
loving one.
question.
I'll feel good about my ability to grab fast.
Yeah.
Yes.
hot grabber.
Alright, well guys, like that is the end of the game. Like this was fun and challenging for us. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this video, because trust me, and I do recommend you trying this game also with like your family or with your friends, because you will find out quickly how dumb you are when it comes out to music. Because the hot seat, yeah, like having to think about something in 5 seconds is like challenging. Because I watched her play on her channel and I was like,
you could have said
could have said this song, you could have said that song, you could have said that song.
What can you say in 5 seconds though?
Can't.
5 seconds.
It's really difficult, you guys. So yeah, I do hope you enjoyed this video. Of course, if you did like it, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a video. Also guys, head over to Sachoney's channel, the link is in the description, and subscribe to her channel also. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.